Good morning. I'm the maths mum, and this is
me, maths mum's child.
What's your name?
Cal.
Cal. This is my youngest, and we're going to demonstrate some subtraction using
Number Line and Dienes.
We've got a long number line here, and we've got some Dienes. So the first one we're going to do is, what's the first one we're going to do?
25 minus 14.
So what we're going to do is, with the Dienes, what are you going to do? You're going to take
2 sticks of 10 and then take 5 little ones to make 25 and then take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What makes 21?
And then you need to take, we have to take 14. You've taken 4 off, so what do we have to take? We have to take off a
1.
What is one of those? That's a
10.
10. So we've taken off, now look, you can count, you've taken off 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many have you got left?
11.
11. So we write equals 11. Okay, so the next one is 53 minus 32. And we're going to do that on the number line. Okay, so if we move the Dienes out of the way, how do we do it on a number line? What number do we need to find first? We need to find the number
53.
Where's 53?
There.
So 53, put your pointy finger on it. Okay, so we have to subtract 32. How are we going to subtract 32?
By counting backwards.
Shall we do the tens first? Yeah? So if we come back in tens, we go from 53. We need to take off how many tens?
3.
So we go from 53 to
43. 33.
That's 2. One more.
23.
And then how many ones do we need to take off? How many ones do we need to take off?
2.
So we go from 23 to
22 to 21.
So the answer is 21. Right. So the next one we're going to do is, what's the next sum?
46 minus 13.
Okay, 46 minus 13. So we're going to do our Dienes. We're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.
Tens.
And how many ones do we need?
6.
So we've got 6 ones. So we just leave them down there. So we're not going to put them in our hands. So we've got 46. And how many do we need to subtract?
13.
13. So how many tens are we going to take off?
1.
So we take away 1 10, and how many ones?
3.
So we take away 3. And how many have we got left?
33.
Okay, so the next answer is 33.
Very good count.
So the next one is
67 minus 51.
and we're going to do this one on the number line. So what number do we need to start with? 67. And how many tens do we need to count back? We have to take off 51. So that's how many tens?
5 tens.
Okay, so I'm going to hold my hand up and you count back in tens. So
Wait.
67 to 57 is 1. 47 is 2. 37 is 3. 27 is 4. 17 is 5. And how many ones do we need to take off?
1.
So from 17, take 1 is
16.
16. Okay, right. The next one we're going to do is we're going to skip this one and we're going to do this interesting one, which is 77 minus 29. So we have to get 77 Deans. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And how many ones do we need?
7 ones.
So we need 7 ones. Okay. And how are we? What are we going to subtract? We need to subtract how many? What's the sum? 77 minus
29.
29. So, what are we going to take off first? We're going to take off how many tens? So 77 minus 29. How many tens are we going to take off?
2.
So we take away 2 tens.
That makes 50.
57 we've still got. And we need to take off 9 ones. Can we take off 9 ones?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We haven't got enough ones to take off. So what do we have to do now?
Exchange 1 10 for
How many ones? Exchange no? No? Cal? Exchange 1 10 for 10 ones. So I've still got 50, haven't I? But I've got 4 tens and 10 ones. And I've already taken off 7. So how many more do I need to take off? I have to take off 9 in total. How many more do I need to take off? Okay, let's put them all back together. And we have to take off how many ones?
9.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. So how many have I got left?
49.
Is that 9? Shall we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48, so equals 48. So what we demonstrated there was the word exchanging. So 110 can be exchanged for 10 ones. The word is exchanged. And that is how we do subtraction with Deans when we need to exchange one of our tens. Okay. We've done a good job, Cal.
Yep.
Have you enjoyed that?
Yep.
Maths Mum Son number 3. Shall we say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.